Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can start a business on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm already on one of my sites. However, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and click on my account icon, and I'm going to go to the dashboard. From here, I'm going to start from scratch and create a new website just to show you guys a proof of concept on how you can do this. So let's get right into it. Now, if you already chose certain options, you'll be booted here into this template screen. You can also build it with AI if you want to. It might make your life easier, or you can select the type that you want from the left here. And for example, let's say I want to create an online store. I'll select online store, and it's going to say show me some online store templates. I'll select this one as an example, and here you can then go ahead and select the color scheme of your site. Change the colors depending on your wishes. I'll just select the default one, then click start with this template, and that's going to boot us into the editor. Now from here, if you want to make an online store, for example, you're going to create a storefront page and you're going to create products for your page. If you're making a membership based service, you can also add that. You can add services. It all depends on the products that you're using. But for example, I'll go into pages, and as you'll see, I already have a shop page over here, so I won't be adding anything. As you can see, I have some placeholder items that I can add. However, I'll just go ahead and go into products, and because I'm doing an online store, I'll add a product. If you're transferring from another online storefront such as Shopify, you can easily export the items as a CSV, add them over here by importing. That's very easy to do and very useful. But I'll go ahead and add a product. I'll add a physical one. This will take me here to the product details and product information page. I'll add just some test text, add the price as $12, keep the stock unlimited, and then you can go ahead and edit other options such as selling tools. You can add categories and tags for easier searching. You can set up the SEO and social share, and you can change the checkout forms. Now, once you're done with your product, just go ahead and publish it, and it'll appear on your storefront. If you have several storefronts, it's going to ask you to specify where you want that to go. However, if you have just one, that's going to be as easy as this. Now, that's not the end. What you're going to need to also do is go into the settings, go into selling, click on payments, and you're going to have to connect to one of these 3 or more payment methods if you have them available in your region. And once you connect them and select a store currency, you can go ahead and modify your shipping options as well if you want. However, you can just go ahead and select one of these, set up the payments, and people can pay for your items, and you can do the rest of the stuff later depending on your region. And that is basically it. You can create other businesses as well. You don't need to create an online store, but this is the one that I feel most comfortable explaining. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.